See it from the outside, running toward the wall, swinging from your blind side, but you don't know me at all. I've been here too many times before, and your tears don't mean a thing. I only come when you scream. I told you, child, don't follow me home. You're just too perfect for my hands to hold. If you choose to stay, you'll throw it all away, and I just want to take your innocence. Is this what you wanted? Did I make your dreams come true? You're sitting in a corner, wondering what you got into, and you